Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can write italics on Discord. So what you want to do is just put asterisk and italic text and asterisk again, and voila, here we got it. It's quite simple and quite cool. And yeah, so this is how you can make it. And again, so like this, Italy is here, whatever, and this is how you make italic text. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe, you know how it goes, and you know the deed. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.